Thanks for tuning in. In this video, is a focus on question 8, Euclidean geometry. So for this November 2020 question paper, the mathematics paper 2. So this is a two-part question. It's no 8.1. It's a circle. Sibuya sibe ne 8.2. Sibuya sibe no 8.2. 8.2 is this triangle. Right now, 8.1. O is the center of the circle. KOM bisects chord LN. And M and O, this angle Lena is 26. K and P are points on the circle. With NKP equal to 32. OP is drawn. And then OP is drawn. So this is the circle, and then another thing to note is that O is the center of the circle. So every theorem may involve the center needs to be considered. Lana OP, OK, ON, wonke oyi-3 ama-radius. How about OM? No. OM is not the radius. The radius is measured from center to circumference. So this measurement to OM is from the center to this chord. That makes it theorem number 1. So bam, sesne theorem number 1. Right, and then 8.1.1, determine giving reasons the size of O2 and OA will be. So thina sizoqala, okay, before ngizoyisolva, alright, I think lana it's 8.8. What's happening, man? Okay, now lana ngino 8.1.1. A sifuna angle, not Q, but to angle 2. We want to know the value of angle 2, O2. So O2 is this angle Lena, O2, and then I'm given 26 as well as 32. So in any Euclidean geometry problem, just make sure we now solve a Euclidean geometry problem, especially calculate my angles. Make sure you compare Leo angle unknown with the given angles and try to figure out with the yippee theorem I apply to link the two angles. For instance, O2 no 26. There's no theorem as I apply between O2 no 26, right? There's no theorem as I apply unless this line and this line bigger parallel. If are parallel, I know what the alternating angles now, then they are equal. So since go 26 now go O2, there's no relationship or a theorem connecting the two angles. How about 32 and O2? Yes, there is a relationship. Omunye mntwana ngathi okay, 32 and O2 are actually equal. Why? Bow tie. Let me explain something. This angle U32 as well as O2, it's actually the angle at center equal to 2 times the angle at circumference. Theorem number, is it number 2 or number 3? I don't remember, but the theorem enkhuluma ngayo yayazi, B is equal to 2 times A. So this structure siyafana nale structure lesaka OKPN, right? Uyayibona? K uthatha the same point as A, and then P same as C, N same as D, and then B it's the point at the center. Lana ngine center ke nam, right? Lana ke someone confuse this thing with the bow tie. Which is this? A bow tie in essence is this. A bow tie must touch a circumference guy 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. It needs to touch circumference yakho by 4 in order to qualify as a bow tie. But looking back to this one, this one lana, this is not a bow tie. So learn to differentiate between the two. This is not a bow tie, but it's angle at center equal to angle at 2 times angle at circumference. And another thing to point out lies that lama angles kwamele aface in the same direction. B no A, yes, it's this theorem, but C no B, no. Lena na lena aga connectwa ile theorem le. B is not equal to 2 times the angle at C. Lama angle soyi-2 kwamele point in the same direction. Yeah, kwamele point in the same direction. So that's the thing we point out. So therefore O2, so calculator using this theorem. So calculator using that theorem. I think erase la. Let me erase. Okay, now so that means O2 is equal to what is O2 is equal to 2 times K1, which is irresinitini angle at center is equal to 2 times angle at circumference. Okay, 2 times 32 degrees is equal to 64 degrees. So this is your answer. Let's take a look B manje. B, I want to OA ke manje la. I want to OA. All right. Now that sengicalculate uloganje, sengicalculate O2, I have another angle enga compare ngayo ke manje. Uyabona? Now I want to calculate uloganje ubani OA, O1. I want to calculate to O1. How can we calculate to O1 ke manje? Mawuthatha ukubheka la, the O1 has no relation with uloganje u32. Has no relationship with 26 degrees. But is there? Yeah, okay, bheka. If we cabanga ngale ndlela le, if we combine O2 as well as O1, if you combine O1 as well as O2, uyabona ukuthi lana kahle this is theorem 1, and the theorem 1 chaza ukuthi le line leli perpendicular to this line. So lana I have 90 degrees. 90 plus this 26 is the exterior or the external angle of a triangle. Lama angles lawa nawahlanganisa nginikeza O1 plus O2. So bam, 26 has a relationship between ubani O1 as well as O2. So in most cases uzoyibona lento le, whatever angle we calculated in the previous question kwamele uyisebenzise on that question oyiphendulayo. Nangabe nyaku-C, the A, B kwamele bancede ukuphendula ulokayo C. In our case siphendula B, but we had to go back and use leyo angle as you calculate on the previous question. But thanks to positive marking, even if the angle is wrong le oyicalculate la, but nangabe uyisebenzise kahle on the next question uzothola the full marks. Right. So Tina, I have uloganju ulogayo M bani NO 26. I need to calculate uloganju M2. I know ukuthi the M2 is actually equal to 90 degrees because the line, the reason it in this is theorem 1, line from center to midpoint of chord. line from center to midpoint of chord yenzani ya bisector le line, and then sithola aba perpendicular kahle kahle, right? So m2 is equal to 90 degrees. Now sengino 90 degrees lapha, and then the angle O1 ngifuna O1, right? Okay, bheka ngifuna O1 angisho ngifuna okay. So lana is going to be angle this relationship yaka 90 degrees and 26 degrees nangibahlanganisa nginikeza le angle yonke le, right? And this angle is also equal to O1 plus O2. This whole angle is KON, right? Is called KON, which is equal to is equal to 90 degrees is the exterior angle of a triangle plus 26 degrees. Reason nangihlanganisa it's 116. Yes, 116. And then the reason is external angle of triangle, external or exterior angle of triangle. So therefore it also means that KON is equal to angle O1 plus angle O2. KON is 116 degrees equal to O1 ubani ngifuna yena, O2 is 64 degrees. Okay, and then angle O1 is equal to 116 degrees minus 64 degrees equal to yabaleka imaths yabaleka yeah, 52 degrees. So this is our answer for B. Now what we prove giving reasons that KN is equal to, or KN bisects angle OPK or OKP. So we prove that this angle is being bisected. So we prove that the angle is being bisected. So lana into so yenza, also the term bisect simply means what? It means that this angle now this angle azoba equal. If you bisect anything, we cut into two equal pieces. So lana by calculate, we need to calculate a value ga k. We need to find the value for k2, not k, but we need to find the value for k2. If le k2 nasum calculator stolo it's equal to 32, we have proven with this line kn bisects this angle. So it is so answer in this question 8.1.2. Okay, 8.1.2. What's happening again? 8.1.2. So lana again, we need to calculate the angle ga K2. Okay. Right. I did mention what we have a radius OP, OK, ON. So in order to calculate to K2, what's the O1 in nine, right? O1 in nine. I also have this angle ga K1. If I were to find the angle yala yonke, right? The angle ga K, this whole angle. If I were to find this angle yonke, I can calculate to K2, right? So bheka ke manje la. This angle is what sithole ubani la konje. Sithole what's this? The angle is calculated was okay, ngikhuluma ngo-O1. The angle is calculated. O1 was equal to 52 degrees. Remember, O1. Now I want to calculate ubani this whole angle OK2. Alright, bheka, since the OP no OK are yini ama radius. So in this triangle we have it's actually an isosceles triangle. In triangle OPK, this triangle OPK, I can see that angle OKP plus angle OPK, OPK, or let's just say angle P plus angle O1, they are equal to 180 degrees. Sum of angles in a triangle. So therefore, now you simplify further, it is OKP, okay, plus P plus 52 degrees is equal to 180 degrees. But OKP uyalingana no P. Why is that so? This is an isosceles triangle. La equal to la. This is a radius. Ama radius are equal. And then ama radius naga equal in an isosceles triangle city angles opposite equal sides. Equal sides. Lama angles are opposite are equal because of lama sides now, right? So therefore, since ngifuna le angle ga OKP, I can say that nangu substitute omunye OKP la, since OKP yalingana no P, ngithola u2 OKP plus 52 degrees is equal to 180 degrees, and then so 2 OKP is equal to transpose 52, now subtract and 128, nazo 128 divide by 2 ngithola ngayiki ke manje. Yo, yabaleka 64. Voila, OKP is equal to 64 degrees. So therefore UK2 nayo uzoba equal to 32, since 64 minus 32 is equal to 32. Why minus 32? Because of K1 is 32, and the K1 plus K2 komele banginikeze OKP. So OK2 is over equal to 32 degrees. Conclusion, therefore KN bisects OKP. OKP, why? Ngisho njalo ngoba K1 ulingana no K angle K2. So this is our final answer. Now sesiya ku 8.2. Siya ku 8.2. Okay, now 8.2. Now 8.2, in triangle ABC, F and G are points on sides AB and AC respectively. D is a point on GC such that D1 is equal to B. D1 is equal to bani B. D1, this angle is equal to this angle. So 8.2.1 bathini, if AF is a tangent to the circle passing through points F, G, and D, then prove giving reasons that FG is equal to BC. So 9 things we answer. Let me draw a circle. Okay, now so now le circle abakhuluma ngayo. If AF is a tangent to the circle passing through points F, G, and D, then prove given reasons that FG, this line, is parallel to BC. So Nyazi, there's no circle on the sketch, but I'm just drawing the circle so that you have a better understanding for the question. So pega. In order to prove parallel lines, we need to use a theorem. Theorems are 3. F, corresponding angles, U, co-interior angles, since as number angles la, so this one out, N ang 9, so this one goes out. Alternating angles, co-interior, I'm only left with this. Parallel lines, the only way we to prove it is by using F, U, or N. So in this case, I can use only F. So the F engimtholayo now. This is F or upside down. So F1, I need to find a way to prove to F1 ulingana no P. That this F1 is actually equal to this P. So since lana basifakela circle lana, okay, D1 is also equal to bani to B. So I need to show ukuthi actually F no D that they are equal. Which theorem is esingayisebenzisa to prove that? 8.2.1. Very obvious man, this one. F1 is equal to D1. Why? It's because of the 10 chord theorem. 10 chord theorem. It's the 10 chord theorem. I believe it's theorem 9 or 8, somewhere up. F1 is equal to D1. So therefore, D1 ulingana nobani no B1. Remember, now what's pegona lo? This is given. This is given. Therefore, the idea or whatever reasoning besiyenza or logic besiformulator la was to show ukuthi F1 ulingana no B, right? So therefore, F1 actually ulingana nobani no B, because of this relationship between D1 no B no B. So therefore it means F1 no B bayalingana, right? Bayalingana. So therefore, since the angle lingana na le, it also means that FG is parallel to BC. Voila. Now you answer it again. Now you answer it. It's just a bit of logic. We apply in order to calculate. Now 8.2.2, I think erase it. Now 8.2.2, if it is further given that AF over FB is equal to 2 over 7, AC is equal to 2x minus 6, and GC is equal to, x plus 9. Then calculate the value for x. In such a question, you need to set up an equation to calculate to x work, right? So lana I'm given the ratio lena. This is theorem 1. Theorem 1. Theorem 1. This line is parallel to one side of this triangle. This is theorem 1. That's why basipa ratio lana as well. So the ratio lena is we apply here. Sizoi reflector. What am I saying? Sizoi loganza. Sizoi calculator ngale ndlela le. AF. Alright. I think it's so. Bangipho bandla. Bangiphe AF, which is 2, and then babuya bangipha nobani no FB, which is 5. But babuya bathi AC is equal to 2x minus 6, and GC is equal to x plus 9. Now AC lana 2x minus 6, and then this is GC, which is what? X plus 9, and then the given stuff now kugela is what? Is AF over FB equal to, but mina ngizodinga AB as well as ubani FB, but I can calculate to FB since AF no FB are given. I think suselana tingisuse la nayilento engikhuluma ngayo. AF is equal to AF over FB is equal to 2 over 5, but I will need AB since you know GC. That's what, since you know AC, right? AB is over equal to 7, 2 plus 5. Now AB is AF plus FB, which is 7. So therefore GC over AC is equal to FB over AB. Reason, this is theorem 1. So line is parallel to one side of a triangle. Voila, GC, okay, GC. It's x plus 9. So second equation kanjalo. AC 2x minus 6 equal to FB is 5 divided by 7. Then we solve for x. Lana iloga algebra. So 7x plus 63. Let me confirm. 9 plus 9 times 7, 63. Okay, equal to what? 6 times 2, 5 times 2x is 10x. 5 times minus 6 is minus 30. Then it's group up x. You're going to 63 plus 30 equal to 10x minus 7x. Then nang eta la kumele ngithole 93 equal to 3x. Divide both sides by 3. 3x is equal to 31. Let me confirm. 93 divided by 3 is 31. So this is our final answer. Thanks for watching video etiphelela lana. Ungakhohlwa in the description below kunama links for amanye questions for this question paper. Nangabe uyi-enjoyile, leave a like, comment in the comment section. Nangabe una question, share nabangani bakho. Nangabe new to this channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching. Asibonane kule video elandelayo. Bye bye.